Come here.
It's not a snowball fight. Huh? Not a snowball fight. It's ice.
Zach. Zach. No. Ew, it crunches.
Can we see what the trampoline looks like?
Boo Boo, come on. You can't go out in the road. Come on.
Trampoline looks like?
What?
Can we see what the trampoline looks like?
Just hold on a minute. Yeah, it's cold. You gotta wait a moment.
No!
Zach. Raina, make a little snowball and show it to him.
We can't. This is actually ice.
Honey, you can make it.
Okay. Okay. The ice is stuck.
What is it?
Let's go somewhere where it is.
What is that? Get it.
We can't do it. It's stuck.
Uh-oh.
The ice is
It is stuck. Well, you're the one that got me up at 6:30 wanting to come out here and play in it.
go. And it's all down.
Go look at the trampoline.
Oh my God, Mommy,
Gosh, everything is so right. Here, go get him. Go get him. Come on, let's go get him. Oh. What are you doing? You're gonna bust your butt, just so you know. I'll be careful because it's covered in ice. Is it cold? Come on. It's okay. It's okay. Come on, Lorena. You gonna try it? It won't work. Okay, yeah, go. Come on. Come on. It's frozen. What? Can we take you?